Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another quick review. They doing some work outside of the barbershop. I don't know if y'all can hear the beeping of the truck, but if y'all do, well, I'm gonna listen to it back and see if it's too bad. But if y'all do, I apologize. But if you like the videos, dislike them, comment, like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff, right? Today we got a quick review. Nothing too long. I know I say it all the time. I'm gonna stop saying that. I'm gonna really try to stop saying this won't be a long video because I start anyway. So if y'all see my last video, we had the Power Ryde, which is a new corded clipper from Gamma. All right. So they also have a trimmer to go along with that, which is the Power Cruiser. If y'all can see that Power Cruiser, which is a corded trimmer. All right. You get the Japanese steel, easy to zero gap. It come with the guards that everybody say, or some people say they do use. I've never seen nobody use them. You also get the oil, the brush, and that little fancy screwdriver. That's pretty much it. In a 10-foot cord. And here we have the trimmer. The same design of it's over there somewhere. Same design as the Power Ryde. I'll put a picture right here. Kind of the teamwork type thing. It's very lightweight. Kind of puts you in the mind of a detailer with the blade and all. Nice blade. It's cool. How do they perform? Well, fresh out the box. A few trimmers, when they fresh out the box, they don't do the job, right? So you got to set them. This is one of those. Fresh out the box, they was cool. Now, I won't say they didn't get the job done because there are some that don't cut at all fresh out the box. These fresh out the box, they did cut, but not to my liking. I don't see anybody really being able to get that crispy line that you're looking for. It was good against bulk, but not really good against putting a line in or a design or anything of that nature. So once you get them set, they on point. They ready to go. These are very lightweight. Like I said, I'm not going to stay here too long. They got the little indentions on the side where you put your hand at if you use them. Like, I don't even know if that means anything because you're not putting your hand there. Sorry about that. Got a little phone call, but here we are, right? So I was talking about, where'd I put it? I was talking about the design of them. They're fine. Like I said, very small. They got these little dentures on here. I don't know why they really don't put them there. It makes them a little slimmer, but these are a good trimmer. Once you get them set, they're a pretty decent trimmer. I don't know if y'all can see me. I was trying to put this in the same spot, but once you get them set, they're a pretty decent trimmer. Two things I don't like about it. First of all, this button being at the bottom. It's cool, but when you in the day, I don't like it. I don't like having to, because it's not an easy one-handed thing while you're trimming up and then you're trying to cut them on and off. All right. And then the second is the cord. The cord seems it's very thin. It's very thin compared to the clipper. I know they don't need the same power cord, but I don't know. It seems thin, like it won't hold up too long, right? But that's not a big deal. The only thing that's a big deal to me that'll keep me away from it is that power button and where it's laid out, where I'm actually trying to work. Get what I'm saying? But once you get them set, they good to go. Are they the perfect trimmer? No. If you had the choice between these or their Evos, I would just say go ahead and get an Evo or even get the Protege trimmer if you're looking for something with a decent price. These are $69.99 or $70, somewhere around there on their website. I'm not saying these are not worth the buy, but if you can. Yo, so real quick, this video has been longer than I wanted to be, but as y'all can just see, I just posted the cut that came in, so I had to stop the video real quick. Either way, Long story short, $69.99, very lightweight, nice motor, feels strong, fresh out the box. No, once you get them set, they're pretty decent. Two negatives is this thin cord. I really don't care too much about that. It's very long, 10-foot cord, but it's thin, don't seem durable. I don't know, I've only used it for 2 weeks. Could last, could not, right? And then the button being, the power button being right here, I'm not a big fan of that. But throughout the video, I'll put videos of me using it, try to put as many in that I can. But if you're looking for a decent trimmer and you're trying to save some money, this is not a bad buy. This is the Power Cruiser from Gamma. You can save money using discount code Cuts by Reggie. But if you're gonna go Gamma, just go ahead and get the Evos, or you can get the Protege trimmer from them, the X Evo. I know the X Evo is a little bit more, but maybe you can save a little bit, then use the discount code, save you a little bit of money. These are just okay. They're not bad, they're not great, they're okay. Are they worth the buy? Are they not? I don't know. These are some that I'm kind of just still up in the air. Maybe I'll do another review, revisit them later, because I still am going to use them for a little bit. So as of right now, maybe. If you like the videos, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. There's a thumbs down button. Share, subscribe, comment, engage with your boy. We'll be back. There's a few new clippers coming out from companies and trimmers coming out. I'm gonna try to do a few more tutorials here soon. My problem with the tutorials is I only do them on Sundays for the most part, and my angles are kind of iffy. But I'll try to get a few more. Y'all let me know in the description in the comments if y'all want to do more tutorials, or if y'all want to just overload it with reviews and clippers and things of that nature. But we back with whatever we do. All right, peace.